Welcome to this video. Today we are going to explore how you can easily add or change your profile icon in the Bluesky apps. Having a personalized profile picture is an important way to let others recognize you. First, open the Bluesky app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the profile icon. Then, click on the Edit Profile option. On this page, you will see your avatar with a small camera icon next to it. Tap on that camera icon to begin changing your profile picture. After that, select the option to upload from library. This allows you to browse through your phone's gallery and choose the image you want to use as your new profile icon. Once you have selected your photo, click on Done at the bottom of the screen. This will confirm your choice. Finally, tap Save at the top of the page to update your profile. Now your new icon will appear, and everyone on Bluesky will be able to see your personalized profile picture. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. Thanks for watching.